Hey everybody, I'm Johnny from John Lathrop Physical Therapy. Today we're going to talk about tight hips and how that may be the cause of your lower back pain. This is going to benefit you if you are a patient suffering from lower back pain or if you're a healthcare professional dealing with patients who suffer from lower back pain. Now, when checking a patient, trying to see if they have tight hips, what I find is that the anterior, the front of the hips, this is often a culprit for lower back pain. Now, I think a lot of people understand that tight hips can alter the position of your pelvis, but this is not entirely true. What I see is that tight hip muscles affect the way you move, not so much your body's position. Now, if the front of the hip is tight, okay, this is going to affect the way you walk. When we walk, our hips and our legs need to kick backward. Okay, if you can't do that because of tight hip muscles in the front, you're going to probably compensate by increasing your backward bending in the lower back. Okay, so this is going to cause all sorts of problems. It's going to cause problems possibly in the disc, in the joints, create stenosis, maybe give you symptoms of sciatica. But the bottom line is that tight hips, tightness in the front of the hips can cause excessive backward bending in the lower back. This could be a problem and could lead to your lower back pain. So medical professionals out there, check these people for tight anterior hip muscles. Patients out there, stretch the front of your hips. If you have lower back pain, have someone show you the proper stretch. I'll tell you what, email me, jblathrop@gmail.com. I'll show you some stretches. I'll send you some stretches to do for the front of your hips if you think this is a problem and if you think this may be the cause of your lower back pain. Better yet, get it checked out. One other thing I want to talk about is a lot of people who play sports that involve rotation. If you can't rotate your hips, again, you may be compensating from the lower back, creating excessive rotation in the lumbar and the lower back. Again, creating problems in the joints, in the disc, you name it. This could be the problem, and this could be the cause of your problem. So once again, tight hips may not affect the way you position your body, but it's going to affect the way you move. Check that lower back. Maybe you got too much rotation, too much extension, backward bending in that lower back because of tight hip musculature. Okay? So again, if you have lower back pain, you think it's possibly caused from tight hip muscles, or you don't know, send me an email. We'll kind of figure this out. We'll figure out if your lower back pain may be coming from tight hip muscles. I'll send you some information. Again, jblathrop@gmail.com. I'm Johnny from John Lathrop Physical Therapy. Talk to you guys later. Thank you very much.